one of the best decisions we ever made was to actually buy this drum sander used. But you can see this was the very first few swipes we ever took in this house. And you can see by the look of the floor, I had to go over them so many times and scrape, and just months and months. This floor is my mom's room, and it didn't need as many times as other rooms, but this was a lot of pet damage. This floor was shellac, and I had to go over it probably 10 to 12 times to get through it. I fell in love with the process, although there were hard times later on. They came out. No, did they come out good? Look at that barn. These floors look beautiful. What do you think, River? I'm here getting over COVID. I am on my upswing, but my mom and Terry are not. And I'm letting you know that we are getting HVAC today. We're getting heat. And as you've seen in some of the videos, we've been working in very cold weather. I usually have on coveralls and a parka, so it's very exciting to get heat in this place. We have heat finally, both floors, heat and air. We moved out of this room today because this room will be 2 bathrooms. We were in here because it was the only heat source in the house. It's been a long couple months. Dog beds. This is where my closet is for now, and then the back stairs down to the kitchen. And here's where it got tough. It was time to do the edging, and I rented the edger. And here's a 58-year-old woman all by herself doing this work. Even the renter guy was shocked, but I did it. I was probably never so proud, other than when my kids graduated college, got married, and had a baby. I was so sore, but I did it. I pushed through. I felt so accomplished. I needed this. I had such a huge time losing my career, beating cancer, readjusting my whole life, that this house and doing all these hard projects really helped me get through some of these hard times, redefining my life. And doing these floors was such a great part of that. When I was finished with it, though, I thought, great, I get to refinish them, until I saw the edges. So I figured a chisel, using some denatured alcohol, soaking it, and using sandpaper, I was able to really get these edges up and make it look crystal clear and pretty, especially because we have 7 mantles, and make it look beautiful on the other end of it. As you can see, when it pans out, you'll see how nice and pretty it looks here. And then here you'll see there's, I got a helper here, Canyon. You can see the shoe molding line. So again, with soaking it with some denatured alcohol and then using the paper, I can get it nice and clean.
So I need to do a second coat. Look at that. The 3rd coat when I come back. I am happy. Ooh. Nice little sheen going on here. Ooh, that's one blope. It's okay. Mom's floors are so pretty. You know, they remind me almost of tortoiseshell. You know, the color is not coming out in this video as they look in real life. Believe it or not. I mean, they're much more, they're golden, beautiful. All right, let's see. Look. Wow. I see you. He's like, I want my breakfast. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Definitely a 3rd coat though. Oh, goodness me. Now, 3rd coat and then definitely protect. There we go. That's a little bit more. There you go. Nice.
The lines are from the renters dragging their furniture when they were moving out. Very sad.
And if anybody's wondering about this, it's actually a trap door that we're using right now to do the plumbing and to wrap the ductwork pipes and so on. So I have wood that gets set in there that I'm also finishing, and then it'll get put on top. Trap door.